Struggling with the Hangul pronunciation? Still rely on Romanized Korean? I've got just what you need. I've designed this lesson video 7-day challenge. Learn to read Hangul for you to be able to read Hangul letter without Romanized letters. It starts from single vowels to more complex one, then combine them together to make a complete syllable, then a word. I introduce you Learn to Read Hangul Workbook, which is designed to help you practice hand letter writing, syllable building, and pronunciation. It will reinforce your visual and kinesthetic learning and help you build a strong foundation in Korean. And that's not all. Check out my pronunciation activity book, Speak and Chat. It is specifically designed to use with the Google Translate voice recognition feature. It is offered for free. Check the link in the description below if you want to get it.
Hello, dear my student. I'm so excited to see you in my lesson and happy to lead you the first step to learning Korean.
Let's take a look at the concept of a single vowel. Single vowel refers to a single, consistent sound throughout their pronunciation. It does not change in sound from the start to the end, meaning your mouth remains in the same position while making the sound. Here's an example of a single vowel and diphthong in English. The vowel e in the word cat is a single vowel. See, when you say cat, your mouth opens slightly, your tongue stays in a fixed position in the middle of your mouth, and the sound remains same. E sound. Whereas diphthongs are complex vowels involving a transition from one sound to another. For example, in the word coin, the vowel is a combination of a short O sound and a E sound, creating OI sound. We will deal with the diphthongs in next lesson.
Now, let's look at the 8 single vowels in Hangul. In this lesson, we will focus on the 8 single vowels. The vowels are designed with lines that are either vertical or horizontals. And if you notice, they are attached with the small lines. These shapes are not random. They are designed with the philosophical meanings. We have E, A, O, E, U, U. You got it?
Let's take a look at each vowel element in letter design. The creator of Hangul brought the 3 most fundamental elements in Korean cosmology, such as sky, earth, and human. People in Korea at that time saw the sky is round, so the creator of Hangul used the dot to represent the sky, the vertical line, human, and the horizontal line, the earth. The dot representing the sky is no longer used in modern Korean, but evolved to a small line. The vertical line symbolizes E sound, and together with the small line on the right makes A sound. The combination of human and sky become another vowel letter. The 3 strokes reflect the cosmic order, resembling the sun's movement from rising from the ground and in the east to setting to the ground and in the west. The combination of these strokes creates vowels. For instance, the vowel E with 1 dot become A, and adding 1 more dot becomes Ya. This system shows the logical and systematic nature of a Hangul construction. The vowel E is a single vertical line symbolizing human. It shares its sound with the E in English word like sea or tree. How can you form a complete syllable with the vowel E? When writing syllable in Hangul, the consonant always comes first. Therefore, we will use iung to get us familiarized with the structure, the syllable structure. Here, iung acts as a silent placeholder if it precedes a vowel. Listen to the vowel e, e. Tooth in Korean is e, e. Let me introduce the next vowel with a short stroke attached to the right side of the main line. The vowel a in Hangul echoes the open a sound in English, similar to a in father or spa. It is a broad sound that stretches out just like a relaxing sigh. Ah. Listen to the word that start with the vowel a. 아버지, 아버지. In Korean, 아버지 is a father. Now we have a vowel that has a small line attached to the left side of the main line. This one sounds oh, oh, oh. The approximate English sound to is in cut and ow as in saw. Remember, this is approximate sound, not exact. The English words are just for your reference, but try to pronounce as how a native pronounces. It is romanized as English alphabet EO, but this does not accurately represent the sound of Korean vowel because there is no exact equivalent sound in English. The romanization doesn't fully convey the Korean sound. It is very important to listen to native speaker and practice to train your ear and your voice. Listen to the sound 어머니, 어머니, 어머니. 어머니 means a mother. The next vowel has two vertical lines and small line between them. 에, 에, 에. 에 is similar to 에 in English word cat or the 에 in bed with a slightly open and flat sound. 에, 에. Listen to the word that start with the vowel 에. 애견, 애견, 애견. A pet in Korean is 애견. This time, we have a vowel that looks very similar to the previous 에 vowel. This one also has two vertical lines, but this time the small line is toward the west side, toward the consonant. And actually, the pronunciation with the previous 에, this vowel sounds exactly same. 에, 에, 에. Listen to the word that start with the vowel 에. 에어컨, 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 which means air conditioner. Let's talk about two 에 vowels. First one has two main line, two vertical line, and the small line between them. 에. And second vowel has two vertical line but small line toward consonant. 에. They are written differently but they sound the same. It's because long time ago they had a different pronunciation, but as time goes, they both evolve to have the same sound. It's called pronunciation mergers. Let's turn our attention to the horizontal stroke vowel 으, 으, 으. The vowel in Korean is a unique sound that doesn't have a direct equivalent in English. It is a neutral vowel sound similar to a tight u as in book, but less rounding of the lip. U, u, is the right pronunciation. Here's how to pronounce it. Start by trying to pronounce the English word good. Good. Focusing on double O part, the vowel part. Uh, uh. Now unround your lips so they are relaxed and not forming a circular shape. Keep your tongue flat at the bottom of your mouth and relatively tense. Uh, uh. The resulting sound should be neutral and unrounded vowel. It might take some practice because this sound is rare in English, but it's common in Korean and appear in many words, so it is very important to learn it well. Listen to the word that start with the vowel. 으뜸, 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 which mean thumbs up or the best. We have a vowel o, o, o. The Korean vowel o has a horizontal line with a small line toward the consonant. The Korean vowel o is pronounced somewhat similar to o in English. English word like go or no. However, there are subtle differences that are important to note. When pronouncing O, your lips should be rounded, similar to when you are getting ready to blow out a candle. Your tongue should be pulled back slightly toward the back of your mouth, not as far back as English O, but further back than most English vowel sounds. The O sound is a pure vowel, meaning it does not glide into another sound as some English O sound does. It should be stable and consistent throughout its duration. Remember, while the O in go is actually a diphthong, O. The Korean O is monophthong, which means it's very flat and it's consistent sound. It is important for learners to focus on maintaining a steady vowel sound without sliding into o sound at the end. Listen to the word that start with the vowel u. 오리, 오리, 오리. A duck is 오리 in Korean. We have 우, 우, 우. The small line is attached to the main horizontal line, but it's away from the consonant. The Korean vowel 우 is pronounced similar to U sound in English words like boot or moon, but there are some key differences. When pronouncing Korean vowel U, your lips should be rounded, much like when you are making a kissing motion. This is more pronounced than the English U sound. We have a word that starts with the vowel 우산, 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 which means umbrella. Let's review all the single vowel that we have learned. 이, 아, 어, 에, 에. Those vowels have a vertical line standing to the right. Next, we have 으, 오, 우. Those vowel has a horizontal line stretching out beneath. Get your workbook and let's check if you can remember the sound and its corresponding letter. I'm going to repeat the sound of letter for 3 times each number. The numbers start from number 1 to number 10, and some of the letters are repeated a few times. So here you go. Number 1, E, E, E. Number 2, O, O, O. Number 3, U, U, U. Number 4, it's 2 letters. E, E, E. Number 5, O, O, O. Number 6, U, U, U. Number 7, U, U, U. Number 8, Ah, Ah, Ah. Number 9, O, O, O. Number 10, O, O, O. Great job today. Check the answer in the next page in your workbook.